Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. And today I have a very special lock, at least for me. It's a lock that has been in my collection for a very long time, and I've always looked at it with the highest respect. It's the ASSA Twin Combi, and it has 6 pins in the main stack with barrel drivers and matching counter milling. And in addition, it has 5 finger pins that have to be rotated and lifted to the correct height. So we have a total of 11 locking elements. And yes, as I said, it has been in my collection for a very long time, and now the time has come to give it a try. So without further ado, let's put this thing in the vise and see if we can get it picked. Alright, the ASSA Twin Combi is now in the vise. Here's the key again. Works smoothly. And for tensioning, I use this little standard tensioner from Multipick, which fits perfectly into the keyway. And for the side pins, I use this G Pro number 10, also from Multipick. And for the main stack, the steep hook from JimyLongs. And I start with the finger pins because they isolate quite well and bind first. First, I try to rotate them to the right position. I know that the first must be in the middle, second to fourth must be in the back. And the last one must be to the front. Let's double check that again. Feels good. So let's try to lift them to the correct height. Five feels good. 4 feels good. 3, 2, I think they all feel good. There was also a tiny bit of core rotation. So maybe we can start with the main stack. Let's give it a try. I still apply heavy tension. One feels good, 2 feels good, 3, 4, not yet, 5 and 6. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3 is now binding. Something appears to be wrong with the finger pins, I guess. 3 is still binding. One is good, 2 is okay, 3 feels good, 4 not yet, 5 is springy, and 6 also. So something must be wrong with the finger pins. Let's check them. 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is binding. Now they all feel good. Ah, no, that was number 5. With a little core rotation. And there we go. Nice. All right. Then let's have a look what's inside. Let's take a pinning tray. Let's lock it up it again. And a follower, core holder. These are the things we need. And first we have to unscrew the 2 screws in the back. Let's take out the key first for now. Let's put that here. This is the back plate, nothing special about this one. Now we can remove the core. Have to be a bit careful that the sidebar doesn't jump away. Let's put that into the core holder for now. And have a look at the driver pins first. Number 1 is a barrel. They should all be barrels. 3, there is an additional master wafer and a barrel. And 4, there is a barrel. 5, another barrel. And 6, also a barrel. Right. And there we have some springs. Oops. let's have a look at the core. First I take out the sidebar, which is here, and has two little springs on both sides. And then we can take out the key, I guess. Leave the key pins inside for now. And take out the finger pins first, because they are spring-loaded and could jump away. Here they are. That's number 5. As you can see, they are all serrated. Focus on that one maybe. And they do not have any false gates. Focus is always a mess. That's number 4 with the spring already. Number 3. Number 2. And number 1. And of course we have some more springs inside. No, I think it's better to pull them out like this. That's number 1. Number 2 we have already. Oh, it's the other way around, that's the reason. All right, let's turn that again. And now for the key pins. Number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is they are standard with an additional master wafer. Same in number 2. Number 3. And number 4. And number 3 we had the master wafer in the housing already. And number 4 is also a standard and a master wafer. And number 5 and number 6 should be standard pins with no master wafers. So we have mastering in chambers 1 to 4, but not in the side pins. And oops. All right, I think that's okay. And we have counter milling in the core. Let me show you that. Let's have some focus here. And as you can see, all the chambers have the characteristic counter milling for barrel drivers, which are 2 steps. Yeah. And I think that's about all. Now the housing, nothing special about this one except the groove for the sidebar. And I guess that's about all about this ASSA Twin Combi. Let me give you a close-up of the pins again. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.